Hello, I'm Ernie Miller and from Mark Murphy, part of the Dole Food Service Group. And I'm here in Aberdeenshire today to meet Graham Warren from Vertigrow. Thanks so much for the invite along here today. Let's start off with the basics. What is vertical farming?
So vertical farming is a form of indoor growing where we control the parameters and we grow crops in a really efficient use of space. So in our system here we have crops stacked in trays on top of each other and we light those very efficiently using LED lights. So we've got a relatively low energy input to the crops we grow and we're only using electricity to grow our crops. That means that we can grow in a very sustainable way and we can also grow close to our people that want to use our produce as well.
So at the moment you're mainly growing microherbs and leafy greens. What other products are you capable of growing?
The system we have is capable of growing a huge range of products. We could grow fruiting crops like chilies and tomatoes. We could even grow seed potatoes and trees. But at the moment we're focused on microherbs and leafy greens and focused in particular on crops that are otherwise imported into Scotland. So we're growing these locally and replacing imported crops, and that means that we can grow crops in a much more sustainable way, produce which is otherwise imported.
And for small growers, keeping costs to a minimum must be a real challenge. What are the main routes to market for you?
At the moment we sell directly to some local businesses. We also sell at some farmers markets, which allows us to engage with the local community. But as we grow the business, it's really important that we work in an efficient and sustainable way on our delivery routes. So working with Mark Murphy has been fantastic for us because it allows us to leverage their supply chain and move goods around in a much more efficient way and therefore reduce food miles as well.
The feedback from our chefs in the northeast has been incredible, and because the produce is sustainably grown here in Scotland, another big tick in the box for our chefs.